Burna Boy is blowing up on the feed because was what $5 million to perform at a show with Dubai because they omo mani smoke igbo omo mani shiwi.
Cause me another like to dey go where dem no go gree me smoke igbo.
And no dia kind of a nyumbi and na fe dey we post no online.
$5 million na small thing.
Na video ni drop here na tifa ba bia be shade ni din am say okay. It looks like I don't understand this properly. You turned down $5 million. Because the time area wo Dubai, they won't allow Dubai mra kwanzo betimi shishibi. Because of that, it dia won't mean shishibi no. What turned down $5 million? Now I'm not saying that I believe the story. I'm saying that is near what outside near Kahuase. But $5 million.
Cause me another like to dey go where dem no go gree me smoke igbo.
You see, I don't smoke, but I'm on $5 million to start smoking. I will.
$5 million na small thing.
You don't deny. How rich is this guy? Now I know that sometimes in among problem career they know what they are about. They know what they can do to achieve some scabbing. But you turn down $5 million. $5 million because they won't allow you to smoke.
I be champion everywhere.
It looks like the Nigerians are bragging differently. $5 million.
Cause me another like to dey go where dem no go gree me smoke igbo.
Well, Abusia can watch Instagram with that story. I'm saying now this is just crazy. I understand that artists they do some crazy stuff to get trends, but no way in hell. And I'm turning down $5 million because it's like, so they give me that $5 million, I will start smoking.
Cause me another like to dey go where dem no go gree me smoke igbo.
Online, my woman will be more cash. Okay, Burna Boy can say $5 million. What turning down? They're gonna put more GD. I think I'm here. Debra commenters and I'm going to visit her. But what amount will be no money or more? I can't say Shatta UK, GMA UK 80,000. By the people were doubting. But Burna Boy $5 million. They would deny 1 year in there, and the amount for GD. And I'm like, that is not really the case. The case for me personally is I say. You don't turn down $5 million. That in any wise. What I say, but I don't know. Hey, yeah, there are more people who have $5 million from account man, or feeling like escape from account. What I say, but not Burna Boy. I know that the guy is he has money now. But if the $5 million free in account will be filled, so you don't turn down $5 million. Now even that was a kind of I just for 3 days then. But either way, that is him and then the management in sense him. But damn.
Cause me another like to dey go where dem no go gree me smoke igbo.
Seligali ne priority abusuo modru Ghana and then okoko wo US no twins. Double blessings abusuo babedru Ghana no chese Ghana say there. Sa omo mbotwene num ne de oye den a. Omo ba be hia no apo fe bi onye nwuse etwagu. Yeah, I'm here to see the interviews because it be happen. Last time, my name is boss Okasa. If you know my boss, you know. Not talk about them. That thing about fame, no. If you are way into it, it's very hard for you to get out of. So I feel like what about idea interviews, baba here and there, Well, it is what it is. Nemre nedru ntimanenyi. And then finally, Shatta like the UK show our cousin. Anytime we make a video about it, the next day and the next time, we will update about. So now update about and say as the details about it's the best count in the post to review on Facebook was saying say Shatta on the organizer and side or say Shatta say or per helicopter. So people actually didn't believe that until then the GH1 Sammy Flex Shatta manager course okay. Shatta Wale UK right now, that's why yare kakre because of saying where the assassin, yeah, what hakra, 2 years. So definitely that I understand. Until I said Shatta try, but to drive from London to Wolverhampton, or even taking about 3 hours. You know, money organizers nakasa say for the say beboa Shatta no. Omo high helicopter man. Na mfani free London. Mfani ko Wolverhampton say na be okokoduro betimi ahom na fe de wanye neji dia bo show no. And I'm like, who do you answer?
So yes, Shatta was still active for the show when agreement was made that he'll be making an appearance as part of his promotion of the single. He made video endorsement for the program. He has been posting and all that. But whilst we were still preparing, he fell ill. Weather changes, cold, flu here and there. So he became a little weak within that time. Then we said, okay, we still want to play this show. We don't want to disappoint our people. So what can we do? Now let's make things comfortable for him so he can play this show. Then personally, I communicated with the organizers, that is all the people involved, that my man is not well, but he's still committed in meeting his fans and performing this show. So what he wants to do is this. He doesn't want to go through a long drive from London City to Wolverhampton. We told them that to make it simple, let's airlift him maximum 45 minutes. Let's airlift him to Wolverhampton. When we do that, he can get some rest. He will not be stressed. At least the little energy in him, he will be able to maintain it for the performance moving forward.
Abusia some flex, no. Now thinking about this hotel, this is crazy. This is crazy. It's like we have a deal. When the deal is set and done now, that is it. The moment you come back and renegotiate, say you helicopter that is not the initial deal. What I say? I've seen the Shatta on TikTok a video about Burna the organizers as always. But the first thing remains say, if you have a contractual agreement with someone, say Baby Boshu, and then I don't know, so I'm going to talk about how Shatta get it there during the contract now. But if say you request to say for helicopter what? I don't think it's a helicopter ankasa per se ne boy ding that much. But ebia the journey now be transfer obe funny pan from her to Hano and ebia be determine how much I'll be to you. But once you are there, will you let's say like 2,000 to maybe 5,000 pounds? I don't know, but let's guess. So if that happens now, the organizer is to your side. Meanwhile, some cow the car nearby. It's not like so baby through now performing. Obviously, they will get a hotel for you there. So right now, Shatta, I don't see anything. Shatta, Yuki. I'll be honest with you. Maybe or yeah, there, but we don't get to see. That is normal. So you can go there, during one of these days. We wait to travel actually, and you send a cars crown no room because right now a brochering to say Ghana, drive when you and this. So we wait to me ahead of time. Find a hotel and as we are go and stay, relax and do whatever you want to do. Because again, when you can you are not really at your own house. In as much as say whole house Asamoah team and you wow person and you dear. Definitely say why you hotel and Airbnb similar. Wolverhamptons was any be very relaxed with your energy now. That is fine, but if you cancel a show because say you see for helicopter be mount because a meet luxurious standards now. Come on. Clearly, some flexer. They had an agreement with organizers. It's okay. Shatta be performing. Normally, if they are coming from, for example, a free Ghana bar, they come to the airport, you go and pick them, and then you take them to the hotel and place a watch your mom. So basically, that is how we say we here. But say right now, the Shatta now say I'm a different breed. Things I will do, let's make it different. You remember in another video me talk about say the can say on here Lord the Rolls Royce copy came from airport no. Or similar feel similar vibe. And then other Ghana artists by UK for example they don't get airlifted, they don't get that for playing mama for money they can. So at least him being Shatta according to a press statement, the luxurious demands of Shatta at least that is part of it. But I don't think that was right. If you want that, at least make add it to the initial agreement you must sign. So if they say organizer can say at this point maybe a drone just can found for helicopter now, then it becomes say organizer and but if say I agree on this, I dare see because of my health, made the, come on. I understand, me, I have nothing against Wale, and all him that. But the fact of the matter still remains, he said, Mami will do a conversation as well because this I don't understand. And now say we a Burna boy. Will you turn down $5 million to perform because ye maunshi bo ye maunshi wini bi she na bankum ba 5C. Will you do that?
Hey Obeda. Hey man no sit then cry. Tabia takum wedi emema yedro no eme yenya ahoden ene ahoden ye eye memedro enu ti na banma bi ahia bi no eye memedro ma banma bi a wedi mfie di wotwe ko bi opedi du etu aton bia enko chemical shops pharmaceuticals ene herbal shops bia e wo Ghana hanum be bia anase freying e wo 0243686861 ana 0245749206
FD ajisa etwedi nkratu yato
kai se tabia takum ye bemma bia ye takum